Talk about how can you fix this problem on your Subway Surf app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then here, so it's going to show for you like this. Just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps. Then when you just click on apps, it's going to take you to this list. And here you're looking for Subway Surf app, or just click on search. Then here add Subway Surf app, so just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click on first stop, then you click here on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.